Hey guys, Vuitton. Not the bag that I'm ever gonna reach for, but I would recommend this bag if you're looking for Louis Vuitton bag. In terms of like a men's bag, I really like it as a men's bag because it's like a very good day on the go, doing things bag. One of my favorite celebrities who carries this bag, and that just made me be like, ooh. I know it's stupid and it's lame, but it puts me in good company, and I'm here for it. Twinning. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shit, and today we're doing a quick initial thoughts review of this lovely gift bag, this Louis Vuitton Outdoor Messenger Mail bag. So really quick thoughts, pros, cons, what fits, what doesn't fit. Yeah, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep this so short. Okay, so this is Louis Vuitton Outdoor Messenger men's bag I got as a gift. I think it's actually, like, as much as I don't love the flashy of the Louis Vuitton, it doesn't actually bother me that much on this one because it kind of is a little more camouflage. Yes, Chai, I can play with you later, okay, honey? I do kind of like that it is a little more, you know, you can't really see it as much. And okay, so first of all, men's bag. I don't have that many men's bags. In fact, I think these are my only two men's bags, like this size and this size. Of course, I have like 60 of this size, but everything else I have, well, that's unisex. Like most of my bags are technically women's bags, right? I'm trying to think now. I think the Saint-Germain is technically a men's bag, but like whatever. Unisex, men's, whatever. I don't think so. I don't think we should put those labels on, but in terms of like a men's bag, I really like it as a men's bag because it's got that like more, now I'm just gonna keep using that word. It's got that more like masculine look and energy and feel, like on a crossbody on me. Like when I wear this as a crossbody, when I wear a wallet on chain as a crossbody, when I wear even an Evelyn, when I wear, whatever I wear as a crossbody, when I wear it as a crossbody, sometimes it is a little more of a feminine bag, it seems to be. So this is my first like manly men's crossbody. Not that it's very manly men, but I do like that about it. It's square, it's boxy, it's structured. It's very big. It can actually fit a lot. It is a lot more spacious than you think. Oh, the Lindy, that's the other one. That's also very feminine. Okay, so I have an organizer in here, even though I've yet to use it, but I just put it in to keep the space. I buy an organizer every time I get it back. I have so many organizers. I literally have like extra organizers just sitting around. If we take this out, this is the 2Jo one, the mini one, and this like silky. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so that was my phone, right? But it was literally right in front of me. Okay, so it's got a back pocket in here that's pretty big. It's the whole length of the thing. So it can fit quite a lot. Like this is actually really spacious, and it opens pretty big, so you can really get in there and get a lot of stuff in. The actual base bottom isn't that big, but you can stuff it. Like you can get your you can easily get your wallet and phone in here. You can get all your daily shit. And it's got this front pocket too, which also will fit a wallet and phone. Okay, we're gonna try this wallet. This is good, but a long wallet would also fit in here. I'm just gonna put things in just to like show you. Not actually things that you would use, but just things to see how stuffed it can look. I like that it has a separate front compartment, and I like that it has a back pocket. It gives you a little bit of, you know, structure. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's do what's in here. Louis Vuitton, inside Louis Vuitton. I'm putting a lot of boxes in here. Let's just put things in. Okay. Just for like stuffing purposes. Look, that's got a little boomph in the back, which it can hold. Silver hardware. The strap is adjustable, so you could make it a lot longer. It kind of sits pretty good level right now. It sits right there. You can adjust it quite a lot. It's got a lot of room for adjustment on both sides. So you could get it super short and keep it kind of there. You could even probably get it to the right length and make it a belt bag, which I do like, you know, and then it would kind of look like that as a belt bag and do that on the back, which is kind of cool. It's like a belt bag with an actual belt. Like this could technically be a belt on the back side, from the back side. This, let's get, I don't know, we'll put my AirPods in, we'll put my phone in. I would put my phone in the front pocket too. I need more things. Every time I do a what fits in my bag, I never have anything to actually fit in my bag because all my stuff like is not in the bag that I'm using. It's in other bags, and it's all in all these other bag organizers. Okay, so that's stuffed. It kind of feels a little heavy, but honestly guys, this is like I would recommend this bag. If you're looking for Louis Vuitton bag, it's $22.50, I think, which, you know, isn't low, but isn't really high in terms of crossbody bags in the world of crossbody bags. If you're looking at competitors, like if you're looking at Goyard, if you're looking at Hermes, if you're looking at Chanel, for like with zips and compartments, it's pretty good for Louis Vuitton. It's in the men's section, that's also why, because the Louis Vuitton women's one would be a lot more. They just price them higher. It fits a lot. Also, one of my favorite celebrities who, I'm not gonna name who, but who I know actually quite well, if I say any more, I'm gonna kind of give it away, carries this bag. And that just made me be like, ooh. I know it's stupid and it's lame, but it puts me in good company, and I'm here for it. And I'm gonna text said celebrity a photo of this bag and be like, twinning. It has no wear yet. Canvas, it's all canvas with some leather accents. It's half canvas, half leather. The corners are canvas with a little bit of leather, which is nice. The leather is that more durable leather, so it is kind of a very sturdy, durable bag. Cons, honestly, there are no cons yet, unless, like, I wish it could be a little top handle, but it's not a top handle type of bag. It can't fit your laptop. It can fit in a small iPad for sure. It's like a very good day on the go, doing things bag. It isn't too heavy, and it's Louis Vuitton quality, right? It's gonna have Louis Vuittons, like, for as much as people at Dock and hate Louis Vuitton, they have really good quality, and they take really good pride in their items, and they have really good like repair and like help services for anything. So, you know, she could last a long time. Again, not the bag that I'm ever gonna reach for, but what do I care, right? As I said, I am gonna start like declutterizing and downsizing my life, and like also like just kind of, you know, stop being such a shopaholic. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Does anyone have this? So it's no longer available in this color. So I also like it because it's like a dark blue. It's like a pop of color, but it's also kind of a neutral. Like, it's not too much of a color. Like, it could probably go with most things, even though it is a brighter blue. But they discontinued this color, so now it's like available in a silver, black, like a seafoam green color, but a little bit brighter than that, and then I think one or two other colors. But yeah, so I don't know. If you're thinking about getting this bag and you want it, I think it's a great first designer bag. It's functional. It's not like super versatile, but it's functional. It's somewhat versatile, functional, fits a lot, not too in your face, and you know, good day bag, good mini travel bag, like for a day trip when you're on vacation. Not a day into night bag, but again, it's more of a men's bag, so I guess it depends on what you're wearing it for. As a man, or if someone who likes more manly, masculine bags, whoever. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I got. I'm really never gonna probably use this. I don't know, what do you guys think? I wouldn't dock it before you try it. Like I said, it fits a lot, and I believe in it. I believe in you, bag. Okay, that's all I got for today. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. And next, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with us. Okay. Vuitton.